guys, welcome back to Sorry Outside. Well, today is a weekday and it's my turn to be cooking something veg. Well, I've already tried this dish many times earlier, so since I thought I'll be showing the recipe to you guys, I thought of adding a twist to it by adding prawns. Also, the guys who are pure vegetarian, you can skip the prawns for this. I also love the blend of spices that I've used in this recipe. And please do watch the whole video, do try it out guys, and let's get cooking, shall we?
So guys, I'm going to start with marinating the prawns first. I've taken around 150 to 200 grams of prawns. So these are quite small prawns though. I'm going to add some turmeric powder, some red chili powder, and salt as per taste. I'm going to mix this well. Although I'm adding the prawns in the vegetables, if you want to make it pure vegetarian, you can skip these prawns. So I'm done here. I'm gonna leave it aside for at least 30 minutes. And this is around 200 to 250 grams of bhindi. I've washed them thoroughly and I've allowed it to dry. Okay, make sure it's dried completely before you cut them and then cook them, because if it's still wet, after cooking it's gonna turn soggy. And I always love to stir fry my vegetables before I actually cook them completely. First things first, I'm gonna fry the prawns that are marinated. I'm gonna heat some oil in a pan. Put good enough amount of oil in the pan because I'm gonna fry the prawns in this. I'm gonna stir fry the bhindi and I'm also gonna stir fry the potatoes. Make sure the oil is really hot before you toss in the prawns. The prawns is just gonna stick to the pan and you don't want that to happen. Okay, the oil is hot enough. I'm gonna toss in the prawns now. Small prawns they don't take much time to cook, so keep a watch when you're frying these prawns. 1 or 2 minutes, just lightly fry them and then you can take them off heat. It's almost been 2 minutes. I'm going to take the prawns off heat. I'm going to place them in the bowl. Now in the very same oil, I'm going to stir fry bhindi. You don't have to fry the bhindi completely, just stir fry them lightly. The taste, what it brings, the crunchiness that the bhaji brings, it's on a different level. I really love that crunchiness when it brings. There's also a big benefit, like I can say, of stir frying the vegetables before I actually cook them, because I'm going to be adding potatoes too in it, and potatoes take quite a lot of time to cook. Till the potatoes get cooked, if the bhindi is added at the same time, this will turn soggy and the potato is still uncooked. This is a really good idea if you're adding potatoes too in your vegetables. And this is my suggestion. I mean, people have various ways of cooking them faster. Okay, so this is done. I'm gonna take it off heat now. You can add some more oil if you want, because I'm gonna fry the potatoes now in this. Also, minor suggestion guys, the ones who are watching our recipes and who haven't subscribed yet, please hit that red button. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so you see that crispiness that is formed on the potato, and that's it. I'm going to take it off heat right now. Okay guys, so it's finally time to get everything together now. I'm going to heat some oil in a big vessel. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm gonna toss in 2 chopped garlic cloves. You can add 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Keep the heat on medium low. Same time, add in sliced onions. This is 1 onion that I've sliced finely. Okay. Stir fry them. Please don't let the onions and the garlic turn brown. As you can see, they are turned translucent. I'm gonna start adding the dry masalas now. Haldi, red chili powder, this jeera powder, this is amchur powder. I'm just putting some chili flakes. Let's fry the masalas really well. Keep the gas on low because I've added dry masalas. Shouldn't burn. Okay, now I'm gonna start adding the potatoes, the fried bhindi. Stir it well. Make sure the masala has coated the bhindi and the potatoes really well. Add salt as per taste. Mix it well. Cover with lid and let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. So it's been 3 minutes now. Now I'm gonna add in the prawns. And also I'm gonna add garam masala. Stir everything really well. Now let it be like this on the gas for around a minute or two without the lid, because if you cover with lid right now, it's gonna turn the potato and the bhindi really soggy. Alright guys, so it's been 2 minutes now. I'm gonna switch off the heat. So I hope you guys like my recipe. It's really simple, it's really easy. If you want it to be complete veg, you can skip the prawns like I said earlier. Please do subscribe to our channel guys, and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for more updates and recipes. So I'll see you next time guys with some amazing veg recipes.